Okay, remember during number talks, the whole idea is to give a chance to everyone to be able to be thinking, so you are not blurting out. If you want to share, your thumb should be up by showing me what you want to share, and everybody needs to be able to share. So you need to be able to be thinking about the way that you would solve this. Okay, are we ready? All right, here we go. So just like we've done before, these are the number of dots. You're going to think about different ways that you can solve it, and also we're looking for an answer. So we're going to share answers out once we see everybody's thumbs go up. Connor, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Eyes on the board. 3, 2, 1. Show me this way when you have an answer. And show me this way when you have more than one answer. Shh, not sharing with the neighbor right now. This if you have more than 2 answers. Here it comes again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, let's find some people that have a total answer. Don't tell me how you solved it yet, but what did you get as a total number of dots on here? So you should have thumbs up, because everybody should have some sort of answer in their head. Okay, Aubrey, what did you get?
Me?
Yeah, Aubrey. Sorry, I looked at Aaliyah and said Aubrey, but Aubrey, what did you get?
I was still thinking, so I don't have the answer.
Okay, what would you say? What were you towards?
7 times 6.
Okay, that's what you were thinking? Okay, Aaliyah, what did you get for an answer?
42.
42. Anybody get something different than 42? Connor?
41 and 10 times.
Just 41, 42. Right. We'll talk about fractions later. Okay, now let's talk about how you solved it. So now I'm going to come back to you, Aubrey, because what did you see right away? We're going to show it to you again. Remember, your voices are off and you're listening.
Okay, I saw there was 6 and 6 and 6 and 6 and so there's 7. Wait. Yeah.
Oh,
letter 6.
Yeah, let her talk. So you saw 7 groups of 6. So 7. Okay. So did you think of it? Were you counting by 7s then, or how did you solve in the end?
I did 6.
Voices are off, Isaac.
I did the 6s.
Okay, you counted by 6s?
Yeah.
Okay. So did you count like 6? Can you tell me how you solved it?
Yeah, 6.
Yep.
12.
Okay.
8, 15. 36. I'm 42.
Thank you. All right, thumbs up and fingers if you have another different strategy. Ellie, how'd you solve it?
So what I did is that first I saw the group of 6 and 6, so I split that up. So
Okay.
it'd be like 12, 12, and 12.
Okay, so you saw 12, 12, 12.
And that's 36, and
Okay.
then I just added on the others.
So were you adding those up? 12, 12, 12? And that was how much?
And that was 36.
36. And then what did you do?
And then I just added on the last 6.
Okay. And how much was that?
Now it's 42.
42. I like that way of thinking. Okay, Jillian, what'd you see?
I split it up into 5s.
Okay.
And then I just put on the 1s.
Okay. So did you count by 5s?
I can split 5s.
Okay. And how'd you do that? Do that for me.
And then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
30, 35. Okay.
And then there are 7 ones and 35 plus 7 equals 42.
Okay. Right. So she looked at it as a group of 5 because she said she knows her 5s. So she went 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And then she knew she had 1 left over in each, correct, Jillian? And you had 7 left, and that gave you a total of what?
42.
42. Thank you. All right, Deja.
14 groups of 3.
14 groups of 3. So you looked at it. Whoops. You looked at this, and you saw a group of 3.
Yeah.
And then you saw 14 groups of 3. Okay, and then what what did you do with the 14 groups of 3? I appreciate it.
added
You're
them
really
up.
listening. Thank you.
I
Sean?
added them up
Cam?
by counting by sixes because I can just put 2 together and then it's easier.
Okay.
And I just to keep track, I went like this, like put 2 for every number I count.
Okay. Can you say that one more time? I want to see if I can write it out. So you had 14 groups of 3 that you saw,
Yes.
and then you put them back together in groups of 6.
Yes.
And how did you count those then?
I
Cameron?
kept track on my fingers, but I counted them.
Okay.
Like,
So
so I went like 6, 12, 18, 24, and then I just kept going.
okay, and then you kept going.
30 and
Keep going from 30.
36, 42. And
Okay. So you similarly maybe saw the groups of 6, but you also could see groups of 3, and you put them together, a group of 3 and a group of 3. Love it. Okay. We're gonna go to the next one. Thank you. Good job. Those were all wonderful ways. Now listen, one of the things that I want to do too is be able to post these so that you can share strategies. So I'm still deciding what way would be best for that. But all right, let's try number talk 2. Here we go. So you're gonna give me thumbs up when you have one way, right, Connor?
we have no ways to solve it.
Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
I don't see it because Sean, I can't see what you have.
Yep, Sean, please sit flat. Thank you. Connor, you also have to sit flat. Okay, here it comes again. Thumbs up when you have an answer. Okay, Sean, what was your first answer? Or what did you give for an answer?
8 times 4
Oh, just tell me your total.
32.
32. Anybody get something different than 32? Cam?
31.9 plus 0.1.
31 plus 0.9 plus 0.1. This is what Cam and Connor are doing to me.
I got
We're moving in the direction.
I
Okay,
got one.
ready? Let's explain how
I
we
got 3 tens and 2 ones.
these answers. Here we go.
I got 3 tens and 2 ones.
Sean, what was your first response to me and how did you solve this? Oh,
4 times 8.
4 times 8. And what was 4 times 8?
32.
4 times 8, and you said it was 32. Okay, somebody else who got a different way. Casey.
8 times 4.
8 times 4. And what did you get? Did you also get 32? Okay. So did you see 8 groups of 4? You saw 8 groups of 4. Sean, I'm going to come back to you a second. Did you see 4 groups of 8? Were you looking at it like this?
No.
Because that's what, when you say 4 times 8, or did you see groups of 4 times 8?
I saw the top row, that was 3.
Okay, hold on.
4.
You saw that.
4.
So hold on a second. I'm going to come back to Sean. He saw the top row.
Of 4.
Okay, and how much was that?
I don't know. I just saw the task. I just counted the groups.
Oh, you counted the groups. Okay.
So I saw 8 groups,
Oh, excuse me.
and then I counted what's in the group, and then I times them.
Okay. So, and you multiplied the groups. Okay, so you saw them in
How to
groups.
get my
So these were groups of 4, and you counted 8 groups of them. Casey, did you see groups of 8 or 8 groups of 4?
8 groups.
8 groups of 4. Okay. Deja,
16 times 2.
16 times 2. Did you actually see a group of 16? Can you tell me where you saw it?
Well, I know that there was 8 total.
Okay.
Like, there was 8 groups of 4,
Okay.
and so then I just split them up. So 8 plus 8 is, I split them up
Okay. Good.
into 2 groups of 8.
Okay, so I could see it that way maybe.
Like 2 groups of 8, and 8 plus 8 equals 16. So I understand.
Okay, hold on, wait. Wait, let her explain that again. So she's saying she saw groups of 8. I'm sorry, they're having to overtalk people. Cam, I need you to slide over here by back, please. Thank you. I appreciate that Deja's trying to share, but it's difficult for others to hear if you're talking. Thank you. Deja, so you said you saw a group of 8.
I saw that there were 8 groups of 4.
Oh, I'm sorry. 8 groups of 4, okay.
And then I just split them into 2s,
Okay.
the 4s into 2s, and I know that 8 plus 8 equals
love it. Okay, so she saw, however you see it, boys.
Boys.
Thank you. However you see the groups of 8, and Deja said she saw that there were groups of 8, and then she added them together. Eyes up here. So groups of 8, and then she knew there was maybe another group of 8, and she knew this together was 16. Correct? Where did you see the groups of 8?
No, I saw that there was 8 fours.
8 fours, okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
I didn't see like groups. I saw 8 fours.
8 fours, okay.
So like all those, see how all those are split into fours?
Yes.
I saw those and I knew it was 8 because if there were one in the middle, I always know that that's 9.
Oh, okay. Okay. Awesome. Okay, let's do one more way that you solved this. Dylan, how did you see this?
I did 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8.
Okay. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. And did you see it like this or in groups somewhere? Where were your 8s coming from?
So I just
Like, would this be a group of 8?
yeah,
Okay.
another group of 8 would
Be a group of 8. Another group of 8. Another group of 8. Okay. And then did you do anything once you had this?
Well, I just added that
Added it up. How did you add it up?
8 plus 8.
Okay.
8 plus 16.
Okay.
8 plus 16 plus 32.
Okay. And 16 plus 16 equals 32. Let's take one more way. Ellie. Go ahead.
Kind of the same as
That's okay. Yeah.
what I did is, so I saw that and I saw like 3s on one side and 3s on the other, and in the middle I just split it down,
Okay.
and then I just did them that those are 3, 8, 12,
Okay.
and then I just added it.
So she knew this was 12. And then you added.
And then I just added on.
You added this 4. Okay. And then that got you 16.
And then I just
Excellent.
added.
Okay. And then she knew this side was also 16. And you said you added those together? So you're saying you know your 16, 16 plus 16? Yeah, awesome. Okay, nice job. Thumbs up for all of you. You may quietly go back to your seats.